Now look at the numericals. The example number 1, the frequency of a sound 500 hertz. So frequency is given. So frequency of sound nu equal to 500 hertz. What is the time period of vibration of a medium particle? So we have to calculate the time period of vibration of the medium particle. Now we know that time is equal to the reciprocal of the frequency, that is 1 over nu, and the value of the nu is 500 hertz, and we can also write 500 पर सेकेंड. सो वो जो पर सेकेंड है वो न्यूमिनेटर में चेंज होगा तो उसकी जो साइन है पावर का वो चेंज हो जाएगा. सो इट बिकम्स इन सेकेंड. सो 1/500 सेकेंड इक्वल टू 0.002 seconds. So look at that, frequency 500 hertz, or you can also write it as 500 per second. So when you are putting in this formula t equal to 1 by nu, so 1 over 500 per second, so it will be converted into simply second. So 0.002 second, this is the time period. Now look at the next one. The wavelength of the sound wave is 1.2 meter. They are giving the wavelength. If the speed of the sound in air on a given day is 348 meter per second, then calculate the frequency of the sound wave. So wavelength is given 1.2 meter. Speed of sound wave given v equal to 348 meter per second according to definition. Speed equal to wavelength into frequency. So from there we will calculate the frequency, that is v by lambda. So equal to 348 divided by 1.2, so it becomes 290 hertz, or you can also write per second. And the next one is example number 3. Frequency of a tuning fork is 512 hertz. They are giving here the frequency 512 hertz, and the speed of sound in air is 344 meter per second. Then find the wavelength of the sound wave. So frequency 512 hertz, speed in air 344 meter per second, and the formula is v equal to nu into lambda, and we have to calculate the lambda. So lambda equal to v by nu, so velocity, that is the wave velocity, over frequency. So put these values, 344 divided by 512, so 0.672 meter, or you can also write it as 67.2 centimeter. So look at that. As we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, so replace this meter with the 100 centimeter, so they will be cancelled out, zeros cancel out with these two zeros, so it will be 672 by 10, that is 67.2 centimeter.